and keep episode 13, the circus. Bird and Kid were at the circus. What a great show, said Bird. It's said Kid. I wish I could be in the circus. A crossbeach flew through the air. That's amazing, said Bird. I wish I could do that, said Kid. Wow, said Bird. Look at that. A tightrope walker walked above the crowd. I wish I could do that, said Kid. A teeny little car drive into the ring. A crowd got out of the car. The crowd smiled and waved. Then another crowd got out, and then more crowds get out. That's a lot of crowds, said Bird. The crowds all ran around the circle. They threw pies at each other. They bumped into each other and fell down. Everybody laughed. Well, Kid, said Bird. You can't definitely do that.